Okay, guys. Had some people ask me about my trailer. This is just an open flatbed tractor trailer, really. But, man, it's great for pulling anything, really. You know, I haul cars on it. I haul my tractor mainly, but farm equipment, anything. It's got a wood deck. It's heavy. I pull with a Cummins diesel. It don't struggle at all. Anyway, back to the trailer. I bought this thing about 4 years ago. It is 20 foot flat on the wood. I've got a tape measure on there. The wood is 20 foot long. Get you to right there. And then it's got a 4 foot metal, so it's really 22 foot flat with a 2 foot dovetail. Plenty of room for my golf cart, my race car, my street car, anything. Now I don't know if I can get that 2019 on there with my golf cart. I hadn't tried, but Fox body, that little SN95 car I got sitting over there, it'll all go on there. What you see here is what it came with the exception of those two ramps right there. And those things are great. They're lightweight. I'll pull one out, show you guys. They're lightweight. They are great for an old guy. I'll show you the original ramps versus the new ramp here in a minute. This thing is a LaCosta. I think it's made in Corsicana, Texas. Bought off Facebook Marketplace, brand new. Kid that goes to College Station, goes to Texas A&M. His dad has a little trailer place sale somewhere up there in Corsicana. He actually brought it to College Station for me. I met him over there, did all the paperwork, brought it home. As you can tell, it's got the big gooseneck jack on it. 2 5/16 bulldog hitch, heavy chains. This contraption here is my substandardness. That is a Harbor Freight Badlands ZXR 5000 cable winch. I mounted it to a plate. It is substandardly welded to the front. All my controls is in this box. I don't leave it outside. It actually has a pin. That pin right there goes through that hole, and this winch lifts out. I'm gonna lift this thing out, put it in my shop. I got me a little jig on the wall. It slides in, stays inside, out of the sun, out of the heat, out of the elements. Park the trailer behind the shop. It's under a shed, but I don't want the trailer with the winch on it outside. So let me get this thing pulled out and I'll show y'all what we're working with. Okay guys, there's a work of art. Don't look at the welding, but that's what we're dealing with. It is stuck on there. It does work. That actually is one of those extensions that you buy that you can make the trailer further away from the truck. I just cut it off, welded the piece it slips into here, the other piece right there, tacked it on both sides to give it a little support. Got a good weld on the back. It's not beautiful, but it works. Pin in it. Drop the winch in there, put the pin in, good to go. Stand by, I'll show you the little mount that I've got in my shop where I set the winch. Okay guys, there it is. Piece of square tubing welded to the 4 or 5 inch, I don't know whatever square tubing is there. Another little piece sitting there, it sits down in, I don't put a pin in it. It's sitting on there, trust me, it ain't going nowhere. I've stood on that thing. I even use the bottom for other stuff, but that's what we got. It's inside. It's not getting rained on. Nothing. Good to go. Y'all stand by for the next clip. Show y'all the ramps. It is dirty. I do live on a gravel road. I don't have a spare. I need to get one. Pull this thing all over the place with no spare. Do check the tires. It's got the big 16s on it. I think they're like, heck, I can't remember. 235/80 16s. I don't know if you can see that. That's what we're working with. They're 8 lug. It's got the big axles in it. It's a good rig. It is heavy. I wouldn't want to pull it with a 1/2 ton. I have pulled it with a little 1/2 ton, but it ain't something you want to put a car on and take off. This 3/4 ton truck, no problem. Y'all stand by. Let's check out these ramps. Okay, guys, here we are. Ramps. The short black heavy ones that weigh about 18,000 pounds a piece came with the trailer. Will they work with a tractor? Yes, they'll work. Do you like to lift them? No, you don't. Bought these things. I think they're off the Vevor store or something like that. But 80 inches. So that's what, 6'6", something like that. 6, my math ain't good. 6'8". Anyway, a lot longer. Approach angle's a lot better for a car. They are heavy duty. They're light as far as picking them up. This thing here, one hand, nothing to it. My wife lifts these, which that's good. She can help put the ramps up. These other little ramps, they're a lot shorter. Let me put a tape on them. Y'all stand by. Okay, these little heavy ramps are 5 foot. So you got like a, you're 20 inches longer. So you're over 1.5 feet of approach. A lot better. All I did, these little ramps, they came with a little tab that slides through that groove. These other ramps punch me a hole in that top, and it grabs on the lip, works just fine. You'll see here that little tab, it used to slide through the ramp, now just slides up to it. Drop me a pin through it, put me a clip on it. Man, those things have rode all over the place. Never had an issue. Somebody could steal them, yes, but works great. Used the same existing slide and everything that was under the trailer. Nothing changed back here. That's the same fabrication that came on the trailer. As far as the lights, everything's LEDs on these things. It's got the 3 in the middle. It's got the fully enclosed, protected for people like me that want to rip them off. Tail lights, running lights. There's your plate with a light. Got little side markers on there. It's got reflective tape all over it. It's got lights at the front. Like I said, it's made by LaCosta. And like I said, you can pick these things up off a marketplace. You hardly ever see one for sale used because they're good. You get a hold of one, you don't want to let it go. I wouldn't sell mine. I think I paid $6,000 for this thing. So brand new. You're looking at a 22 foot with a 2-foot dovetail on it. Man, you can't beat that. Especially for what you get. You take care of the wood, you'll be fine. We're gonna coat this wood a little Thompson water seal this summer. Like I said, it stays on the barn. It's outside right now. We just drug it probably about 3 hours one way. Loaded a SN95 onto it, drove it home. Never had an issue. We some of the roads we were on, Texas highways, speed limit 75. Of course, you run 80, 81 on a cruise. You can do that if you got one of these. My son has a Duramax. He can do that, but I still give him a hard time. Anyway, back to the trailer. We very proud of it. Does everything we need to do around the farm. I've hauled mules, that one. I've hauled my tractor with shredder and a bucket, everything on it. Trailer just works good. Little winch makes it really nice. If the car don't run, you pull the car up on there. If the tractor don't run, you pull the tractor up on there. But that's the way it is. All right, just want to give you guys a little update on the trailer, what we're working with. Give us a like and subscribe. We're doing videos on all kind of mess. So totally substandard. It's not the best way to do things. It's just my way. Y'all have a great day. Give us a like and subscribe, and have a good one. We'll see y'all on the next video.